The item I have designed and made is called a center finder ruler. There are a lot of centering rulers, but I could not find anything that did what I wanted to do, which is have a really easy way to just look at a number and come to the center of a item. Most centering rulers are like this commercial one where there is a 0 in the center, and you take it and you put it on your material and you just wiggle back and forth till you try to figure out, do I have the same amount in each side? Well, I figured there's an easier way to do that. You take the ruler, you put it on the edge of the material that you're looking at. Now, each of these items, which you can see I've done them in small digits here in the corner, and unless you have really good eyes, I also did them here so that you can see this, but this is a blown up version of this at a smaller scale. Every number on here is double what the item is above it. So 2, and you'll see 4, and then over here is 2. So if you had a piece of material that's 2 inches, then you come straight to 2. That's the center of that material. So in this particular instance, we have an item, and it's each one of these is in an 1/8. So this is 4 and 1/4. And you can see that here, that second dash is going to be a 1/4, which makes it over here 2 dashes also, and that will give you the 1/4. So all you have to do is look at 4 and 1/4, come down here and do the exact same number, and come in here 4 and 1/4, and this will be the center of that piece of material. So when you're looking at it, that will be exactly the center where I put a hole. So also, additionally, because this ruler is not a 12-inch ruler, it's a 14-inch ruler, it gives you a little bit more length than most rulers that are only at 12 inches. I expect one day I might do a 24-inch ruler, but at 14 inches, you can then have something that you'll be reading. You'll come from 14 at this end down to 14 here, and that will be your center of a piece that is 14 inches wide. So it's great for small materials to figure out what that is, and every single tick mark that you have, so that if this is 2, then you come down here and you go 2. So you'll be, if it's 4 and 2, then 4 and 2, and that's your center. Also, every one of these holes, there's a notch so that you know where the center of the line is, where you can put a notch and hold it. From there, every one of these is at a 1/4 inch, so every hole is a 1/4 inch. So if you're doing a strap and you want to put punch holes or mark holes that are every 1/2 inch, then you just do every other hole. So you would mark this hole, that hole, that hole. So you can figure out your pattern. You'll figure out how quick and easy that is then to mark, because this is exactly in the center of this ruler. So you'll be able to go straight down the row and mark a strap once you've got the center of that location.